What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. So today is the last day of the year, and I believe we should look at how I'm trading and some of the things that I have incorporated over through the year and the evolution that I've had. So this is the London session, and I am looking at US 100. I have a trade going on right now. It's the London session. Now, the strategy that I'm using is Stacy Buck's strategy. I've learned from Stacy Buck, and over the years that I've been learning, I've caught one or two things about forex trading. Now, I'm not the best trader out there, and just to put it out there, I'm not the best. I am questioning myself all the time. Do I really know what I'm doing? And yeah, I've learned a lot. Now, let's jump into the strategy that I'm using and the strategy that I used to take this trade. So if we look at the 15-minute time frame, we see that we have 3 days of rise. So on Monday, we did not have any price action. So the week started on Tuesday. So Tuesday we have our high of the week on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday and on Thursday. Now 3 days of rise, and then also yesterday we had this failed breakout. So price broke out of the high of the week, and as you can see, price broke out and then came back and closed back inside of the range. So what this tells me is that there is a very high probability that price is going to reverse today. Now, am I right or wrong? I don't know. But if I look at this setup, I saw this setup on Wednesday. And look at this. We have price consolidating, and then we have price breaking out explosively. Then we had 1, 2, 3 candles, and then 2 candles up for this reversal back to the low of the day. Now, I'm not saying it's exactly what happened today, but we have explosive move, and then 1, 2, 3 candles, and then another explosive move. And then now if we look at the 1 minute time frame, so I'm waiting for the first hour to set the high and the low of the session. So the first hour is the beginning hour of the trading window from 2 to 3 a.m. Now, as you can see, this is the first hour, which sets the high of the session, but also sets the high of the day. Now, I also am interested in price action breaking out. So I want to see a breakout of the high of the day before I see any setup. So price continued breaking out, which is a good indication. And then we have this M pattern here. So price post, and then we have this breaking structure. So we have a breakout, which we can call this a pump. So of course, if you want to enter a trade, you must be looking at, okay, if I enter this trade, where will I be targeting it? Where will be my profit taking? So we can actually target up to here. That is a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio, but I'm good with a 1 to 2 because it is reliable and I don't have a lot of pressure. Now, if we look at price action up here, we have price consolidating and then broke structure, retested, and gave us an engulfment candle. So this was my entry, my trigger, the trigger for my entry. Now, the reason why I took this trade, first of all, is because it has aligned itself with the signals. So if we look at yesterday, we have a failed breakout, a first trade day after 3 days of rise. And yeah, if we look at again price action today, we have a pump scenario, after the first hour has set the high and the low of the session. We have our M pattern up here, and then we have a breaking structure, we have a pullback, we have an engulfment candle for this reversal. Now, I don't know how price will behave. Price might come back to the low of the day. I don't care about that. All I'm interested in, and basically what trading is understanding risk management. You have your there's a certain percentage you're risking. Risk that and then let it play out. So if you are targeting a 1 to 2, if you are risking 1%, that is a 2% return, which is very good. A 2% return if you are risking 1%. So yeah, basically if you know what you're looking for in the market, then whatever it is that you're waiting for to move you to the next level is risk management. So basically that is all I wanted to talk about today regarding the last day of the year. So hopefully you all have had a great year, and yeah, so maybe we should look at this trade setup as it hits take profit or maybe returns to my entry. But yeah, basically this is how I trade. And yeah, if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and hopefully the next coming year we are going to do great things. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.